Welcome to Pathology Pro software. For changing report layouts, click on Settings. In Reports tab, there are multiple lab report formats or styles. Right side panel, you can see preview of all the changes. In second and third report format, authorized signatory can be placed with doctor's name. Edit signatory doctor names in Business tab. You can able to add 2 doctor names and info under it. Save the settings and refresh the report and see the changes. In that same business panel, you can change print-related data, which is constant for all reports, contact and address details. U lab details as well as logo. These all details will be seen in report. Fourth report layout does only prints patient and test details. It is useful if you have already custom printed reports and only want to print inside. It does not prints header details of your report, only the main info. In fifth report layout, you can print your custom header and footer image. Browse the image with proper size, save the settings and see the changes in report. While creating PDF of your own header footer, it is helpful. iPrint tab, you can change all settings related to invoice of reports of service billing. It is very advanced accounting, billing solution for you lab for patient or hospital accounting. Thanks for watching, have a great day.
Welcome to Pathology Pro software. Today we will learn how to create test groups in lab software. In Test Groups menu, you will see pre-saved groups. To create the group of tests, first enter the group title name related to diseases or set of tests related to that topic, select the group and add tests in that group from right side. For tutorial, we are adding some random tests in that group. While creating the report, grouping the test help you to add multiple tests in one click, which saves time. You can create group like diabetes, blood analysis, fluid analysis or liver, kidney function related tests. Now we will see how to use group. Click on New Report, enter the patient name or hospital name as account for maintaining accounting. If account is new, it will automatically create for you. Select Test Group box, enter the group name or select it, and click on Add Tests, which will add all the tests in that group easily. Some tests have numeric values, so you can enter them in value column. If tests have observational result, enter them in observation column. Report software will automatically pick observational value as you type into it. Fill the report data that you like. This software has multiple lab report layouts. You can change the report style in print settings. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.
Click on New Report, enter the account or select or patient name for maintaining billing records. If name is new, then account will be automatically created. And report window will be opened. Fill the important information you like to print in report, like doctor name, gender, age, patient name, sample related info. As we seen in previous video, how to group tests. In Select Test Group box, you will find all save groups. Select the test you like to add, like complete hemogram, and click Add Tests. All tests will be automatically added in report. If you like to remove any test, select the test and click on Remove button. If you like to add any extra test in report, you can find and add it from Test box. Enter the numeric values in Value column, and if test has observational result, then type it in Observation column. We adding random value in Values. In Print Details tab, you can add any text you like to print under the report. You can edit it while creating report, and also you can save the details in Test Group menu to load it easily. Click on Reports, it will create lab report. You can print it or export it to PDF. This software has many lab report styles. It also supports custom header-footer image upload. As you see, values which are not in normal range are bold. You can add any new test in the world to Pathology Pro software and set normal ranges. You can turn on or off QR code from report settings. There are a lot of options related to printing the report and report formats. In Invoice tab, you can add charges related to this report and maintain the balance amount. If client pays, enter it in Payment Amount box. Then click on Add button. It will automatically saved as credit payment in software. You can print its receipt. In Accounting reports, you can see balance of all patients, hospitals, and expenses, which helps you to maintain the credit and debits from all. For knowing more about accounting, watch our next videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.
Welcome. Today in Pathology Pro software, we will see how to add or set up new test like COVID. For adding new test, click on Edit Tests, enter the test name, click on Save. In every report, there is informative test details that needs to print under the report. For saving the details to it load automatically, click on Test Groups, then select Print Related tab. Enter the information you like to print, give it a title name that you like to know the details. These saved details can easily load it in report, click on Add button to save them. Same way you can add details for all kinds of tests for faster reporting. Now we will create new COVID report, click on New Report, enter the patient or hospital name as account which is billed. Enter the patient and test related details. You can add sample code or barcode, also the sample type and subtype if any. Search the COVID test we just added, and click Add. This test does not have any numeric value. Its observational result can be edited in Observation column. Software will automatically detect the observation in report and print as it. In Print Details tab, you can select what you like to print under the report related to test. Select the title to check details, and click to paste box for adding it in report. You can edit the details. You can add multiple test details as you like. In Invoice tab, you can add costs for accounting. See the next videos for more details accounting. Click on Report to generate report. You can print this report or export it to PDF. If you like to edit the layouts of report and details, options can be found in Settings. In Settings section you can preview multiple report formats. Custom header and footer also supported. For more details watch Report Layouts video tutorial. There are lots of options related to report and prints. Thanks for watching this video. For downloading the free software, click on the link below.
We will see how to do hospital accounting for lab reports. For demo, we will create new account for hospital with hospital name 123. We will create 2 demo reports like this one. Fill the details related to this report. Click on Invoice tab to add amount and details. You can add multiple entries like report charges, visit charges, or any other charges. They can be printed in invoice also. We are creating new invoice for the same account. Select the account name and click on Create Invoice. Fill the other info, select the test group to add tests. Click on Invoice tab to add charges. For simplicity, we are adding only one charge or 100 for both of reports. You can see the account net balance in Reports section. Expand the accounting and balance, select all accounts and click on Create Report. It will automatically calculates and shows all accounts and their corresponding amounts related to purchase or sales service, also debit and credits. As you see, for hospital name 123 column, we have created 2 reports of each costing 100, so total of 200 is showing in total sale. We haven't added any credit entry, so net balance is negative, means we have to get money from that account yet. If the hospital or client paid you, then we have to add credit entry. In Payment section, select the account name from box, then enter the payment amount in numbers and click on Add button to save the entry. You can print the credit voucher for them also. Now again we will see how the net balance changes. We have added the credit entry of 150, so it will be added to hospital account. Software automatically shows net balance of -50, means still 50 amount is pending from hospital. You can zoom the report, print or export it to Excel, Word or PDF. Consider if you have given 50 amount to hospital account, so now we will add 50 amount entry debit. So now we know hospital owes us 100 worth of amount. As you see in reports, it's showing negative 100. We will get 100 amount from hospital account. Consider if you used any services from that hospital like equipment or anything which you have to pay, then enter the amount and details and expenses. Add them for accounting. Software will automatically manage them to calculate net balance. Expenses are added in net balance. As you see in reporting, before expenses hospital have to pay us 100 worth of amount, but we added expense entry of 100 worth of amount, so the net balance is now 0. That means the account is nil. If net balance is positive, it means we have to give or pay that amount to that account. You can also watch detailed accounting in accounting menu, where all taxes, discounts, extras are shown in very detailed view. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.